Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install and set up the Probot Discord bot, which is a multi-purpose Discord bot that allows you to do a lot of different things. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and just search up Probot. Now you're going to click on this top link right here at probot.io, and you're going to want to click on Add to Discord. It should have a pop-up, and then you just want to select the server to add the bot to. I'm going to select the server right here. Continue, make sure you have all the permissions set, and authorize. Go through the caption, wait a second, and then you should be brought to the Probot dashboard. Alright, you're now in here, so then you can set up lots of different things with Probot that you want to. And I'll show you the basics of setting up AutoMod and welcome. One of the main things Probot is also known for is their leveling system. However, that is a lot more confusing and will take a lot more time to explain, so I can do that in a different video. If you want me to, just let me know in the comments. Now for AutoMod, you can just select any of these options for what you want to do when they're spamming, swearing, or doing any of these things right here. So let's say they're spamming at least 5 messages within a 5-second time period. You can have them either warn member, delete message, or mute member. Let's just say you want to mute the member. You can change some of the settings right here. So you can disable this in some channels. Like if I want to disable this in my welcome channel, which just automatically welcomes people and only bots can talk in it, I'll disable it there. And this can also disable it for some roles like the admin role if I wanted it to. You can also have the mute time set for a custom amount of time. So I wouldn't want it for 5 hours. I'd want it for like 15 minutes. And yeah, we can just set it anything we want like that. And we can do the same here. So we can just have this delete message automatically for swear words. And you can say whatever words you want it to automatically delete. Like let's say if you wanted to delete the word Discord, or you want to delete the word Fortnite, like that type of thing. Yeah, obviously it would probably be swear words. So now you can set any of those custom things right there, and you can do it for links, mass mentions, emoji spams, or any of those. And you can select to ignore specific channels in general instead of specifically, right, or rules for everything. So you can customize everything like that. And you can also choose to exclude some links from YouTube channels. Like let's say you own the YouTube channel and the Discord server. You don't mind if people post your YouTube link, so you can choose to exclude it. Now let's show you how to set up the welcomer portion of this. So this one's really simple. You just select one of these two, and you would just send as either a message or a DM, and you can say, welcome to my server, or whatever you want it to say. Obviously you wouldn't have it just say this. And you could also have it send an image, which I'm not going to choose, but you can just upload an image and any of that type of thing. And you can see in Discord, Probot is right here and online. So that's how you set up the Probot Discord bot. And if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.